Breaking news: the judge overseeing Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's corruption case has died, prompting questions about timing and circumstances. Judge Benny Sagi, president of the Bir Sheba District Court, was killed in a traffic accident on Route 6 on Sunday, January 4th, according to the authorities. Officials have described the incident as a road accident, and no evidence has been presented to suggest foul play. Still, the death of a sitting judge presiding over one of Israel's most consequential corruption trials has fueled public scrutiny and calls for transparency around the investigation. And then also from dailymail.co.uk, judge in Netanyahu's corruption case is killed after vehicle driving off-road joined highway and plowed into his motorbike. A senior Israeli judge involved in Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's corruption case has been killed after a vehicle driving off-road joined a major highway and plowed into his motorcycle. Benny Sagi, the president of the Beersheba District Court, died in the scene following the collision on Route 6 in southern Israel. Emergency responders described the incident as shocking, with medics saying the judge suffered fatal injuries and showed no signs of life when they arrived. According to the initial police findings, a vehicle that had been traveling off-road suddenly mounted the highway and collided with Sagi's motorcycle. I have no horse in this race, but I'm going to say that is very, very odd. You were not even merging from an off ramp. You just came from off road and smacked into his bike and killed him. I mean, you guys can make your own opinion. I'm here to just tell the truth. You guys decide. The unusual circumstances surrounding how the car entered the roadway have prompted a full investigation. The crash happened near Kibbutz Kfar Menachem, east of Ashdod, leading to a temporary road closure as officers examine the scene. Traffic accidents investigators from the Kiryat Malachi police station, if I butchered that, I am not Jewish, apologies, are working to determine whether negligence, mechanical failure, or other factors were involved. I think that's asinine because we all heard that there was no negligence or nothing. An off-roader just rammed into you. Very, very odd. Very, very I don't want to use words that are going to get me shadow banned. You guys just decide for yourself. Judge Sagi has been appointed acting president of the Beersheba District Court in June 2024 before assuming the role permanently in April last year. He was considered a prominent figure within Israel's judicial system and was widely respected for his legal expertise and leadership. News of his sudden death sent shockwaves through Israel. Legal and political establishments. President Isaac Herzog said he was shocked and pained by the loss, praising Sagi as a brilliant jurist known for integrity and professionalism. Supreme Court President Isaac Amit said the judiciary was dismayed by the tragedy, describing Sagi as a man with a huge heart who was deeply respected by his colleagues. Justice Minister Yariv Levin also paid tribute, calling him a widely admired and exceptional judge. In a statement, the judicial authority said it was deeply saddened by the circumstances of Sagi's death, describing him as a talented leader who was well liked by lawyers, court staff, and litigants alike. Judge Sagi is survived by his wife, a daughter, and two sons. Police said the investigation into the
Different
crash is
countries.
ongoing,
Oh,
and that is the end of the article. You guys decide for yourself. Like,
have you?
comment, subscribe. This is Intel Wars.
Ah.